You're probably wondering what's in this kit. Well, I'll tell you what's in this kit. You have got your quick start instructions. You've got your detailed instruction, making it quick and simple for anyone to put this kit together. You've got this custom sticker page where you peel these stickers off to customize this map to look exactly like your property. In addition, you've got 5 location signs. We tried to cover every single base, and in some cases, electrical panels look a little different. They're different types. There's the older ones and the new ones. So you get both. As far as water goes, there's 2 different ways to shut water off a main coming into a house. You get both. You also get the gas signage, with all of these attached at the location so you can find them quickly and easily, especially if it's dark and late at night and every second counts. You've also got the ability to attach these so they stay attached. They are weather resistant, and last but not least, we have our custom made gas shutoff wrench that's designed to hang on a pipe right in front of your meter so you can always shut it off once again when every second counts.